So I bought a hitch extension for when I have the truck camper on the truck when I'm towing the side-by-side or the boat, and it came in today, and this is it. This is actually how the guy delivered to my house. So luckily it's all it is just a big heavy hitch, but it is 36 inches long. No, 34 inches long. You could either do 34-inch long or 24 inches long. There's supposed to be 2 holes, so you can, yeah. So this is the 24-inch hole, and this is the 34-inch hole, and supposed to be able to cut it down if you only need the 24 inches, but I might need the full 34. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to do some measuring. But it is a Kurt brand. It looks to be fairly beefy. So we'll get it on there and see if I need the full 34 or the 24. I'm hoping I need just the 24 inch because 34 inches is a lot. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is the extension mounted on my truck. I had to leave it at the 34-inch mark. I'll show you when it's all hooked up. About to back under my camper and hook it up and everything because we're leaving for the weekend. But all I did was get some turnbuckles from Home Depot and attach each one and tighten them, and it's not going anywhere. It's very stout, so that makes me feel better. And I'm not sure if Whitey here is gonna work or not, because see how low that is to the ground. I'm not sure if I go over some angles, that bottom's not gonna hit or anything, so I might just use this one over here. What is it, Rocks? Yeah, I might just use this one right here. It's not as long, but I think it'll work better. A lot better. So let's get this thing hooked up and I'll show you it with on the camper, and then I'll hook my trailer up and everything and show you that. GoPro. I fell over. My makeshift stand. Oh, let me show this real quick. So this was what confused me. Like, I was getting too close right here on this side, and I was like, what the hell, because it was uneven. So this side right here has a lip that comes out, and the other side doesn't. This one's flat all the way back. So that's what's throwing me off. I was like, what the hell? So I just learned something with this being out 5 more inches, and it's close to this. I have to remove the tailgate just for that, because I can't get the cord to go through there. So that sucks. Okay, so another thing to be mindful of, if you have a mega cab Dodge, I'm not sure if this is correct or what, but the way they have it hooked up, which I'm gonna see if I can't figure out another way to mount it or something, because no good as far as it goes. I mean, you could get in there, but not without scratching up your damn gas lid. So that's another thing. Oh, and also on dualies, don't forget to extend your things out, because these things right here will hit them when you're trying to back under them. So here's the hitch with the camper on it, on the truck, and it comes out out there. So probably 6 to 8 inches from the back of the bumper. So that's not too bad. Might get a longer hitch, so it come out more, but it should be okay, as long as I don't do some crazy tight turns, which my boat trailer is okay. It's the only thing I got to worry about is my utility trailer over there, but I don't plan on doing any crazy tight turns anyway. Okay, so finally got the camper loaded up. Second time I've loaded it. It was easier the first time. I don't know why, but it's probably because I had the tailgate on and I had to take it off, and then I'm a perfectionist, so I had to make it sure it's straight, which is still not that straight, but it's close enough, I guess. I don't think you'll ever get it perfect, but I got the trailer hooked up, and this is what it looks like. So you can see it's probably maybe 6 inches. underneath the bumper, the front of the tongue on the trailer is. It's not bad. Hell, even if I do make a sharp turn, I think the corners will actually clear the bumper. Huh. Sweet.